conéctalo ahí. Déjame ver si necesito para el otro lado. All right, so I got a little bit of help from my my father-in-law, but we got an extension, a retractable extension cord, because I kept getting tired of having to go find an extension cord. Now I have several. My garage is a mess. That's another project. I probably won't make a video of that, but that's one of my next projects is to get this garage painted. That side, we finished half of it last summer. We never got around to doing the rest of it. But that's just something that's gonna help me out when, you know, I need to do these little projects for my pressure washer and for any of the other tools, even the vacuum to clean the car up. So that's just something, you know, that I bought it a long time ago. It was on my to-do list, and I just thought I'd get around to it. Now my wife decided she was driving the Escalade and she didn't pull in far enough into the garage, and she ended up hitting the back of the door, the back of the truck with the garage door. Luckily, all it did was knock off a little cover that covers the tow hitch on the back of the truck. So there wasn't really much damage or any damage done to it. It just knocked that off. Luckily, that was all that happened. You know, it was so close. So, you know, as I did a video before, I have this tennis ball for the Porsche, so there's no problem with that. But now, that's why actually I did this, is because I put a hook, and I'm going to end up putting a tennis ball. And this is something that's pretty simple. I already got the ball. You take the tennis ball, you go ahead and you just cut a slit in it. If I can find it. Hopefully this is the same tennis. There it is. And that's the slit there. So that's, you cut a slit. Once you put a knot in the string, and then once you put the knot, that's where you put the knot wherever you want the ball to stay at that height once the car's in. So I'll go ahead and I'll do that now. This is something simple, but it works. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put that knot, you know, let's see if I can get this here. You know, it'll work like that, but obviously you need a knot on there in order for it to stay tight. That's what you see on this other ball. There's a knot in there, and that's what's holding it. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish that up, and that way we'll have one for the truck also. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pull the truck in now, and that way I can, you know, once I do that, then I can go ahead and adjust the ball on this rope. That's it. Just make sure you got enough clearance. So that's what the finished product looks like. Just make sure you have enough clearance in the back. Should be good to go. All right, well, thank you for watching my video. I just want to thank everybody for subscribing. If you haven't already, just go ahead, subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. All right, peace out.